In this tutorial, we'll review Polaris's policies page and examine issue, component, and test frequency policies. The setup for creating each type of policy is quite similar, but it's important to understand what each policy does. This way, you can use the right type of policy for your project management needs. First, let's review how to create an issue policy. Issue policies instruct Polaris to take actions when issues with specific properties are detected in tests. They also apply fix-by dates to issues found in tests. To get started, click Add Policy. Enter a policy name and description. Choosing a thoughtful name will help you identify this policy when onboarding projects. Here, you can choose to add a fix-by date. Polaris will look at an issue's severity and apply a fix-by date relative to when it was tested. You can customize the number of days and severity levels to align with your organization's compliance goals. If we scroll down, we can add a rule to our policy. One or more rules can be applied to your policy. Note that at least one rule is required. Click Add More to add your first rule. Click on the Filter drop-down menu to expand your filter conditions. Notice some of the filters have a tree structure where certain elements can be expanded to reveal additional options. In this example, we'll select critical and high-level issues. Next, let's click on the Action drop-down and tell Polaris what to do when your filtered criteria are triggered. In this example, let's just send a notification. Finally, scroll down to Add Projects. You can select individual applications or expand their trees to view their subsequent projects. In this example, we're going to select both demo projects within our demo application. Scroll down and click Save. Back on the Policies page, we see our new demo policy, used by the two projects we assigned during setup. Note that if you need to edit the policy, you can do so by clicking its name or the kebab menu. Next, let's click on Component Policies. Use component policies to notify organization admins when components with specific properties are detected in SCA tests. Click Add Policy. Setting up your component policy settings will feel almost identical to issue policies. Like before, you'll be asked to supply a name, rules, and projects to build your component policy. Scroll down and click Cancel and return to the policy list to continue without saving. Lastly, let's click on Test Scheduling Policies to review our final section. Use test scheduling to create and manage policies that instruct Polaris to scan branches connected to repositories automatically on a daily or weekly basis. Click Add Policy. Again, you will be greeted with a familiar interface asking for a name, rule, and projects to build your test policy. In the Add Rule section, you'll need to select either a daily or weekly cadence for your run. Scroll down once more to view the Add Projects section to add your desired projects. You've now had a quick look at what it takes to create issue, component, and test frequency policies. That's it. You're done.